we have, that is ranking and ordering. The first part which we're going to do, that is ordering. Ordering means we're going to put the objects in an ascending or descending order on the basis of certain instructions. The first instruction which we have, the first example to understand it, that says 5 friends were comparing the cost of their watches. The cost of Yesha's watch is less than that of Rajvi's. The cost of Forum's watch is less than that of Priya. And the cost of Rajvi's watch is less than that of Priya's, but more than that of Tanvi's, whose watch is the costliest. So how can we do that? We have done inequalities. So in inequalities, we had done less than or greater than the signs. That's going to help us out. How? When they say the cost of Yesha's watch is less than that of Rajvi, so let's say Yesha's watch is less than that of Rajvi's. Make it like this. The cost of Forum's watch is less than that of Priya. Forum watch is less than that of Priya. Make it like this. The cost of Rajvi's watch is less than that of Priya. The Rajvi's watch is less than Priya, but more than Tanvi's. Whose? Rajvi's. That means Rajvi's watch is more than Tanvi. So I can make Rajvi and Tanvi like this. Now the question is, whose watch is the costliest? Now there are 5 friends we have. Out of 5, we can easily see D is less than R, so that can't be my answer. Y is less than R, that can't be my answer. F is also less than P, that is also can't be my answer. Now R is less than P, that means R is also not the answer. The 4 of the friends who are eliminated, that means Priya, she has the costliest watch. So the answer going to be Priya. Devdeep, is this clear? Okay. Look at the next question. Example number 17. It says, Hari, Gopal, Ram, Jagdish and Krishna compared the price of their phones and found that only Hari's phone, that means not rest of the phones, is cheaper than Gopal's phone. That means the Hari's phone is cheaper than Gopal's phone. For the rest of the phones, Gopal's phone gonna be cheaper than all others. So there's nothing less than Hari. And when they say Ram's phone is more expensive than Jagdish, only Ram's phone. That means Ram's phone is more expensive than Jagdish. Rest all are lesser than Jagdish. If all the phone prices are unique, are compared, who was the third one? Now third one left is Krishna. That means third one we have Krishna. That is the answer. That is how the topic of ordering is. You just have to understand the instructions. They have said only Hari's phone is cheaper than, only का मतलब बताया उन्होंने समझाया. That is why this question was taken. ठीक है? Devdeep, clear? Look at the 18th one now. One more and then you guys gonna try. So let me take 2-3 more and then you're gonna try. It says 4 friends were sharing a pizza having 5 pieces. So 4 friends, piece to pizza 5. They decided that the oldest friend will get the extra price. So आपको बताना है oldest कौन है. Now Reena is 2 years older than Geeta. Now when they have given some numbers to you, so write Reena here. She is older than Geeta by 2 years. So write 2 in between and write Geeta here. Now make them in descending order. Geeta who is 3 years younger than Nita. Now Geeta who मतलब Geeta is 3 years younger than Nita. मतलब Geeta से 3 साल बड़ी. मतलब Nita has to be here. There should be 1 year gap between Nita and Rita. And Rita and Geeta with so that means total becomes Geeta becomes 2 plus 1 3 years younger to Nita. Kyra is 1 year older than Geeta. Now Kyra is 1 year older than Geeta. That means here in between, after 1 year, we can put Kyra and 1 year here again we have. So this is a descending order of the ages. Now the question is, who gets the extra piece? Of course, Nita gonna get the extra piece because she is the eldest. That is my answer. कर सकते हैं, easy है. Devdeep, look at the next one. The last question I'm going to try, then you guys will try. In an exam, there are 6 students A, B, C, D, E, F. 5 लोग हैं. D is ahead of C. मतलब B जो है ahead of C है, तो let's put again in descending order. B is ahead of C. D and F. So there are C, D, and F. B is ahead of all of them. A stood first. A stood first. That means A is at the top and E is at the last. There's nothing below E. E is first and E is sixth. Is this clear till here? यहाँ तक clear है? Now they say F and C are ahead of D. F or C are ahead of D. That means D will not be here. D has to be at the bottom at number 5. Number 2 we have B. Now 3 and 4 we are not sure. They can be C or F in any order. We don't know that. Now the question is, who stood third? We can't tell. Who stood fifth? That is D. मेरा आंसर डन हो गया. such a easy topic. कुछ है इसमें? कर सकते हैं. Till 20 I have tried. From 21 till 25 you guys have to try. Start doing it please. Then we'll match.